Yo, what up guys, welcome to this new video and another trip. As you can see, we are in Germany right now and we are going on a 3-day trip. We are going to the province of BAYERN, where we have a few things that we want to do. The first thing is today we will be departing for our house where we will be staying for 2 nights. Then we will be tomorrow going to the Höllentalklamm, which is a beautiful walk. It will be very difficult, but it will be very interesting. And on the last day we will be going on the top of the mountain, but I just forgot what its name was. We are making everything ready, and then I would say, let's go!
Yes.
Good afternoon, I would say. Welcome again. After we arrived 2 hours ago, we are now in the not German Alps, because we just crossed the border 2 kilometers ago, and we are now in Germany. So these are the German Alps, as you can see behind me. The blue house behind us is the house where we are actually staying right now. It's a beautiful house. I'm going to show you the insides later, but for now I'm just going to show you and tell you more about our plans. What we're going to do today is in the evening we'll be going to a restaurant. Which restaurant we will be going is still unknown, but after that we will be just enjoying the evening, a calm evening. Nothing's planned for today, but for tomorrow we're going to the Höllentalklamm, where we have the opportunity to go into a clam. I will show you some pictures right now. Enjoy them, and they will be in our next vlog. So I'm gonna be, oh, there's a dog behind me. Happy dog. Throwing some catch and ball. He's enjoying his time, and as we are doing as well. Look, the dog, happy in the shadow, because it's 30 degrees outside. I'm also looking for the shadow right now, and I'm in the shadow right now because it's just so warm. And I'm gonna show you the house right now, so let's go. Oh, a fly, stupid fly. As you can see behind me, here is the blue house where we are staying. And on the other side, the rest of the building. It's a long time to go around. Let's go inside. This is the door. Let's go inside. The stairs. We are on the 2nd floor. And this is our home. This is our living room with so many beds. There are 2 over here. That's the TV and the sofas Here we have a table and Jonathan putting on his shoes. Here we have the air conditioning, and we definitely need him. It's 30 degrees in here. There we have another bed for some reason. Another sofa. Our room with the bed for Jonathan, myself, and Dominic and Jonathan walking across the room. That was on video. Here we have another bedroom. Here we have the bathroom, but I'm not sure if someone is in there. And that's it. That's basically it. But if you want a full review, we'll have to see it in the next video. By the way, we are now going to our restaurant. And after that, yeah, we'll see what restaurant we'll eat. Let's
go. Doei.